To make the tourism field in our country attract to national and international tourists become increasingly, there are four factors such as protect. Everyone, do you know how to promote tourism field in our country? Well, to begin, I would love to pay my valuable respect to the school director, my class teacher, and all my school friends who are here. My name is Sophea. I am a student in English Level 12 of the SBC school. Today, I am delighted to present one special topic. It is about how to promote tourism field in our country. Before I go into detail of the topic, I would love to explain some keywords to all of you. According to Oxford Dictionary, the word promote is mean that support or actively encourage or give publicity. And the last word is tourism field refer to the commercial organization and operation of holidays and visit places of interest. Now let's move to my topic. The tourism field is one of the most important fields that can contribute to develop people's social economy and a country and a nation for a long time. To make the tourism field in our country attract to national and international tourists become increasingly, there are four factors such as protecting all kinds of environment, knowing and understanding about culture, civilization, and our own art clearly, sharing the world to know for sure, keeping the country's security and safety, good and proper service and accommodation. Freshly national environment is also a factor that can attract more tourists. When there are a lot of natural resources, it can satisfy more tourists during the resort visit. Therefore, we all must take care of those natural resources, lastly to attract tourists to the resort areas more and more. In addition, a country culture civilization are also main points in attracting for visiting because they would like to know other countries' civilization in the world. For example, there are great civilizations in our country like temples, sculpture, dancing art, ceremonies, and popular games. As we are the owner of these beneficial cultures and civilizations, we should take care of them to last forever and advertise any possible way. Moreover, a country with good security and safety in all areas can make tourists who come to visit feel physically and emotionally secure. The tourists will come to visit a lot when those areas never have violence and other offense. So, when they travel safely, they can share this with their friends, cousins, and their family to visit more than before. The safety, political stability that are developed play an important role in making all field grow and become developed countries in the future. More importantly, when they get good experience related to hospitality and services as well as accommodation, including hotel and guest house, we must have announced and educate restaurant and hotel owners and all resort sellers how to greet or welcome guests and keep food price and other things properly. In conclusion, tourism is a main non-smoking industry that helps support people's living conditions and the country's economic growth tools. Therefore, protecting environment, interesting, attractive, and peaceful cultures and civilizations. Providing accommodation and services is a necessary and beneficial factor to improve and better the tourism field in our country to be famous and develop more and more. Thank you for your listening.